Pardon?
Motions.
Motions.
You,
Yeah, today it is clear.
you are loose
Today it
motion.
is clear
Are you
at two
getting loose
times.
motions?
No, no,
Yeah,
not lose motion.
not lose motion,
Hmm.
but
It was some constipation.
Constipate.
But
60% hard, 40% liquid, sometimes 40% hard to 60%
Okay.
liquid.
Okay. Are you losing weight now?
what comes to sir?
I think now I'm 77, approx 1 kg maybe,
No,
One
not
kg.
losing weight.
not losing weight.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
after clear my stool today, I feel very better. I feel very better.
All right.
But sir, I am
Once you had this pain, right? Or repeatedly you are getting only one episode of pain you had, right?
That's একবার হয়েছে না?
yes.
Yeah, it was one episode pain.
All right. When it is possible for you to come down to India?
Actually, he got the visa, but the attendant yet not got the visa. He will get visa on
Oh.
27th. We have reapplied and will get visa on 27. Possibly within 30,
Okay.
we'll be in Chennai.
All right.
And sir, I've lost my food interest, hungriness.
That's what I asked. How is your appetite overall?
Overall, he cannot eat. That is the main problem.
Yeah. So you have been started on lenvatinib, tablet lenvatinib. Sometimes, yes. So the tumor itself reduces the appetite, and plus lenvatinib also sometimes reduces the appetite. Are you
Okay.
vomiting also?
বমি হয়
That's why I'm taking a
বমি হয় নাকি?
yeah,
বমি হয় না বমি tendency.
vomit tendency.
Vomiting tendency
Vomiting
is there,
tendency.
but vomiting is not there.
All right.
But when I start eating, after few minutes later, I can't eat. If I want to eat
Forcefully,
then it seems to me vomiting.
All right.
And sir, may I?
Yeah, tell me.
Sleeping is okay, but I feel pain. Actually, when it pain, it massive pain.
Yeah.
So I am. আচ্ছা কি জানি বলতে নিলাম
Are you getting vomiting along with that? You said no. No vomiting.
No.
Vomiting tendency is there, but
Tendency.
vomiting is not there. When he try to eat something forcefully, then the vomiting
Yeah.
tendency comes. But
and this vomiting tendency is not. It's from the very beginning.
Yes.
Before my HBS.
Yes.
Before my HBS, because I hate too many sunlight, too many neck. If anyone touch my neck side, I
Yeah.
feel vomiting.
Okay. What about the skin? Are you getting any lesions on the skin after starting left?
Right. Some of I've told you very before. Some, sir. Here's some.
scars are there.
Yeah.
এটা কি বলে শক্ত মতো এটা এখন গিয়েছে it has changed my skin
Yeah.
and some rash.
So I will give you one salt. That salt you can apply on the skin. Okay.
Okay.
Salt you need to mix it in the water and apply on the skin. That's called Epsom salt. Okay. That you need to apply so that your this thing, the itching and the hardening of the stool will reduce, of the skin will reduce. Okay. And a few medications I'm giving you just to reduce your symptoms and pain. But since you are on chemotherapy, we need to expect this side effect of medicine. Now, lenvatinib, you are actually taking 4 milligram 3 times a day. Okay. The ideal dose for you is, since you are developing these side effects, you make it 4 milligram morning, 4 milligram evening, 8 milligram.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually, I am taking some technique for my digestion problem. Sometimes when I
For
take
South Asian people, the maximum dose is 8 milligram for lenvatinib. Okay, 12 milligram becomes little because you are not getting other option of the treatment. That's why they must have increased the dose. But since you are intolerant to the medications and you are getting frequent symptoms, your food intake will reduce. I'm giving you one protein powder also that you can, it will increase your protein intake and appetite tendency. So start that, reduce the dose of lenvatinib, few tablets for symptoms and the salt for the hands. Okay.
Okay, I have shared the latest
AFP report.
AFP report.
Yeah,
How it has increased. Okay.
I saw that report.
So may I take some our local medicine? Sabudana. Do you know, sir, sabudana?
Yes.
And do you know, sir, Isabul Bhushi?
The Isabul.
Isabul. You can have Isabul.
Yeah.
May I take it?
Yeah, you can take it. For constipation, you can take it. Okay.
Yes.
Doi card. Yogurt. Yogurt is cereal to like
So
You can have.
take yogurt.
Yeah, you can have yogurt. Ish. I'm sending you the description. Okay, you can purchase there, and whenever possible, you come down. For this thing, virus, hepatitis B virus, which medicine you are taking?
Hepatitis B virus এর জন্য কোনো medicine নিতেছো?
No.
For hepatitis B virus, no medicine is taking.
Yeah, he must be taking.
But Alphavir for cirrhosis. Alphavir 1 mg. It's for cirrhosis.
Yeah, that is for virus.
Yeah, there is for virus. Oh, VIR one virus.
Sir, Sonexa, doctor suggest me for pain.
Yeah, you can have that. Ultracet, that is the safest one.
But sir, when I feel pain, then I will take
Yeah.
Sonexa.
Yes.
Right.
Then Nexpro or Nexium or Pantoprazole, whichever is available there.
Nexpro is available.
So in the morning you keep it for 2 weeks. Only take in the morning half an hour prior to your breakfast.
Okay.
Before. Next floor.
Nexpro.
Yeah, it's a pantoprazole. It reduces the effect of lenvatinib.
Okay.
And sir,
And one more syrup, sucralfate syrup I'm giving you. It also will reduce the symptoms. You will feel better. So whenever you get pain, just drink 15 ml.
And sir, an Italian medicine suggested my oncology doctor named Glutarodox. Is it?
Yes, if there is no response or poor response to the lenvatinib, then that medicine is recommended. It's a immunotherapy basically.
It's necessary.
It's a if you are non-responder. Hello. If you are non-responder, then it is recommended.
Okay. মানে লেক্সোটেনের কাজ না করলে ব্লাড রিস্ক খারাপ
ওই যে আন্ডা
The purpose
but right now he is taking glutaradox.
I'm already taking Glutarodox 2 times per day, 2 times.
you continue that. If you have started it already. Because see, there is a reduction in your AFP level from 8,000 to 2,200 now. Okay, now this AFP is showing that the tumor is quite sensitive type of tumor which is showing good response. But this will not last for very long. You know, so we just want to explore whether that local chemotherapy in the form of TACE is possible in your cells. First of all, I would like to completely exclude that there is a metastasis to the other organs. If it is not there, we can still offer you that TACE, which will shrink the size of tumor. The survival will increase.
Okay.
In case if there is a metastasis, then you have to continue whatever is going on. Okay, and see the response. But since you are young, your rest of the parameters are good. I feel we should be 100% sure in terms of metastasis of the tumor. Because you are young and you are still good in terms of body shape. You are not an old one or bedridden. So still we need to give you some chance. That's why I want to see you in India.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, it will be very easy to say that there are no much options except chemotherapies. But we need to sometimes explore the option when the patient profile is little different.
Okay.
Sir, I have some rash in my tongue.
Yeah, that happens with lenvatinib. That's why you reduce the dose of lenvatinib. Because you are intolerant. For South Asian people like us, we cannot tolerate 12 milligram dose. That is for European people. For us, the dose is 8 milligram.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'll send you the prescription.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Can off camera? Off camera? Leave the. Easy leave. Stop it.